I replicated a viral million-view e-commerce commercial in just 20 seconds using my laptop. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AI to replicate any blockbuster product video or brand ad at a fraction of the cost. The secret lies in the worldwide launch of Dreamina Seedance 2.5 by ByteDance, the tech giant behind TikTok. While older models relied on basic prompt and pray generation, Seedance 2.5 gives creators actual professional editing control. By combining Seedance 2.5's powerful video generation with GPT Image 2, you can upload a basic product video, enter a command, and generate a high-end commercial with cinematic special effects. Forget spending thousands on studio rentals, lighting, or production crews. Let's break down how this changes the game for e-commerce owners and digital creators. To maximize engagement, we use a structured 3-grid vertical workflow, splitting the output into top, middle, and bottom video tracks to showcase a dramatic visual transformation. First is your original video. Just snap a quick clip of your product on a plain desk with zero special effects. Second, we pull a single frame and feed it into GPT Image 2 to generate a baseline luxury studio background around your product. Third, we pair that new image back with our original video movement and run them through Dreamina Seedance 2.5. Seedance 2.5 maps both the physical motion data and the visual style simultaneously, delivering a full model photorealistic render. Whether you need product demos or short promotional videos, this dual model workflow drastically reduces artwork costs and speeds up multi-version asset delivery. Standard AI product videos usually look fake because standard tools scramble logos, text, or fine details. Seedance 2.5 solves this with multi-asset reference, supporting up to 50 reference assets, including up to 10 images, 10 videos, and 10 audio clips. You can feed in your exact character reference, style reference, and product details all at once. If you're in apparel or e-commerce, you can map clothing designs straight onto realistic AI human models. Even better, with Seedance 2.5's intelligent edit mode, you can swap character props, update backgrounds, or tweak outfits at specific timestamps without re-rendering the whole clip. Brand logos and fine print stay perfectly crisp, legible, and professional every time. What if you don't even have studio lighting? Seedance 2.5 includes 3D white model and green screen editing. You can input gray models or green screen background clips directly into Dreamina to instantly inject premium lighting, realistic reflections, and dynamic effects, turning a basic smartphone snapshot into a $10,000 commercial asset. Plus, if you scale ads globally, Seedance 2.5 introduces multilingual enhancement supporting over 10 languages, including English, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, and German. The engine automatically syncs localized dialogue with human lip movements and subtle facial expressions, allowing one person to handle multi-region global ad production effortlessly. When you jump into the workbench, balance your creation strategy, allocate 50% of your workflow to perfecting your baseline assets and 50% to video generation in Seedance 2.5. ByteDance made Seedance 2.5 exceptionally cost-effective. Subscriptions start at just 9 cents per second, and yearly plans save you up to 40%, plus an extra 32% off for creators, bringing your production cost down to 6 cents per second. And if you're a US creator, Seedance 2.5 is launching in the US within the week. Register in advance today to grab early access and lock in these pricing tiers. Dreamina Seedance 2.5 outperforms legacy tools like Sora 2, VO3, and Runway by delivering true film quality video, consistent characters, and complete camera control. I've placed the official link and my unique tracking link right at the very top of the description box below. Click the link in my bio or description to try Seedance 2.5 today. Comment Dreamina down below and I'll send you the direct link straight to your inbox. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.